Hi, and welcome back to Always Dolls.
Welcome to the diner.
Can I get a strawberry milkshake, please?
We're all out.
What will we do?
Out of milkshakes? No worries. Today we are crafting easy Halloween-themed drinks for your dolls. A big shout out to YouTuber Squishy Word World for inspiring us with her cute strawberry smoothie tutorial. A link will be in the description box. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to help our channel grow. So let's get making. You only need paint, cotton balls and communion cups. If you don't have these cups, you could substitute with clear plastic shot glasses or other clear bottle lids. To start, tease apart your cotton balls. On scratch paper, squeeze out some paint. We are using pink for a strawberry flavoured milkshake. Mix the cotton ball in the paint so it is completely covered. With your fingertips, pinch one end of the cotton ball to make it easier to fill the cup. Place it inside the cup and push down. You may need to colour more cotton balls to fill the cup almost to the rim. If needed, use the tip of a tissue to wipe the rim clean, ready for the next step. To make whipped cream, coat another cotton ball in white paint. Set this on top of the pink milk. For extra height, shape a cotton ball into a peaked dollop before placing in the centre of the drink. Use the tip of a skinny stick or your fingertip to make impressions in the wet cotton ball to mimic the spiralling swirl shape of whipped cream. Cover generously with school glue to set the cream, then set aside to dry. Now, let's step up this basic strawberry milkshake and turn it into a Halloween vampire-themed drink. Inside the rim, draw a line of red puffy paint. If your cream is still damp with school glue, you get this awesome gradient effect. For decoration, draw tiny bat shapes onto brown fun foam. Cut out, then place them into the whipped cream. For a final flourish, use more red puffy paint to make drips of blood spilling down the cup. Make more drinks. Customize your paint colors to mimic a cotton candy milkshake. Decorate this with an orange macaron. You can learn to make these in our Tea Time Treats video. And tiny fun foam sprinkles. For our green ghoul milkshake, we added a mini googly eye and a red cocktail straw. Okay, let's make one more. Starting with a chocolate milkshake base, coat your cotton balls in brown paint, then fill the glass. Instead of white whipped cream, we made ours light purple. Take brown puffy paint and draw lines over the cream for chocolate drizzle. While the paint is wet, set a mini witch's hat Oreo cookie. These are super easy to create. Cut 2 black and 1 white fun foam circle. Stack and glue. With black puffy paint, squeeze out a smaller circle that spirals to a pointed peak. Allow the paint to dry. It's optional, but we chose to seal our drinks with gloss Mod Podge. This also gives the milkshakes a shiny, wet look. Thanks for watching, and come back soon to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.